Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload wallpaper to Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to do is open up a Wallpaper Engine, and then at the bottom left you'll see Wallpaper Editor. I want you to go ahead and click on that, and now what I want you to do is either create your own new wallpaper from scratch, or you can click here on View All Projects and identify the wallpaper that you've already made that you want to upload. Let's say, for example, I want to upload this wallpaper. I'll click here on OK, and now this will open up a preview. What you can do is edit it further if you want, and once you are done editing it, what you will need to do is go ahead and come here and click on File, click on Save. Once it's saved, come here, click on Workshop, and now here you'll see Share Wallpaper on Workshop. I want you to click on that, have a title for yourself. You can go ahead and fill in age rating, visibility, you can adjust this as well, have a genre description, things like that, and a preview image. This is required. Anything with an asterisk is required, so you need to do that. So you either import a file or you capture the preview. So I'll click on that, and then we'll just go ahead and highlight this like that, and then we'll press enter. And now we have the preview, and then we can go ahead and publish this. So you click on publish, choose your ratings, whatever you want accordingly, and then click on OK. And now it'll go ahead and upload it to Steam, to the workshop, and it'll also be available on Wallpaper Engine. Now that's done uploading, you can either click on Show Wallpaper in Workshop by clicking on this, and it will redirect you to that page on Steam, just like this, or you could copy the workshop URL if you want. But otherwise, if you come to Wallpaper Engine, you click on Discover and you switch this one to your wallpapers, you'll see that it is uploaded to Wallpaper Engine. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.